Hi friends, this is the bonus spelling test for Unit 28. Make sure your name is on your paper. Word number 1, candy. Her favorite kind of candy was Mike and Ike's. Candy. Number 2, July. July is usually a hot month. July. Number 3, penny. Penny is a color also, and it's copper brown. Penny. Number 4, retry. If your Chromebook won't work, you need to retry. Number 5, soggy. You can't leave your bowl of cereal or it will get soggy. Number 6, buggy. Sometimes it can be buggy at night in the summer. Buggy. Number 7, spray. You should spray on mosquito repellent. Spray. Number 8, dandy. That is a dandy looking dragonfly in the picture. Dandy. Number 9, spry. For being 96 years old, she was still very spry. Number 10, furry. My dog is very furry. Okay, friends, here are your 3 dictation sentences. Make sure you get all of the words written down for your sentence. Sentence number 1. The lady will pray for the pony to win the race. Number 2. The baby bird will try to fly in the sky. Number 3, will you play a spy game with me? That completes your spelling test for the bonus list for Unit 28.